Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For those looking at a lightweight yet functional MS Office alternative, WPS Office is just perfect. It just includes the 3 essential programs: word processor, spreadsheet application and presentation software, and is fully compatible with Microsoft Office's file formats.
Let's help you make your mark.
Compare WPS Office versus Microsoft Office 365 mobile apps. WPS Office has 9.0 points for overall quality and 100% rating for user satisfaction, while Microsoft Office 365 mobile apps has 9.8 points for overall quality and 78% for user satisfaction.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are some downsides to it, but still, WPS Office is a great tool and comes in handy all the time. Pros: WPS Office offers a great alternative to the Microsoft Office suite, supports various file types and has a very familiar workspace and interface.
Take our lead.
What is better, WPS Office or Microsoft Word? Today's businesses want the top Office software product to continue to be competitive. WPS Office got a 9.0 score, while Microsoft Word has a score of 8.5. Likewise, you may compare their general user satisfaction rating, 100%, WPS Office, against 97%, Microsoft Word.
Let's help you make your mark.
3 ways to get Microsoft Office for free. Check out Office.com. Microsoft offers Office free to anyone who accesses it directly from Office.com. Download Microsoft apps. You can download Microsoft's revamped Office mobile app, available for iPhone or Android devices, for free. Enroll in Office 365 education.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.